Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Steve.
And this is Tyler. And this is Unbox Authority.
And welcome to our channel! So as our long-term viewers may know, our channel keeps changing. And one of the most recent changes to our channel has been the addition of Tyler to our team.
Since we started this channel, we've wanted it to be the Shank Brothers, but we've always wanted it to have two opinions. But since life is hard, it's really hard to balance everything and still do the channel.
And that's why we needed the flexibility of a new team member.
And I'm very excited to join the team, even though I've been here for quite a while, because in the beginning I lent them my DSLR way back in the day, but I was always behind the camera watching what they were doing. But now I get to be in front of the camera, which is a whole new experience for me, but it's a lot of fun, and I love technology and I love being able to bring this stuff forward to you guys.
And that's why we are all here, to bring you guys the latest technology we think is cool, things that we think is just interesting or you don't even know about. We just want to bring it here, give it an honest opinion, and show you if it's good or bad.
But we always wanted to be able to give you two honest opinions, even if that means we don't agree with one another.
And that's why we feel we have the authority to determine what's good or bad.
So that's why we feel that having two different opinions helps us stand out against other channels that we've seen.
So if you like our channel, subscribe, share it with friends, and let us know if you have any other ways to improve our channel. We want to grow with our community.
Thanks for all of your support
And have a good night.